If you want to change keyboard theme on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to open Settings. We're gonna scroll down in here and we need to find the System option. Over here in System, we're gonna go to Keyboard, then choose On-Screen Keyboard, and then we're gonna choose Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use on this phone. And then we're gonna go to Theme. There we go. In here we should be able to find a bunch of different themes that you can of course use quite easily. You can just tap on whichever you want to try to use. There we go, and if you like it, you can of course apply it. You can also create your own theme by using this plus button at the top. You can choose whichever image should be used in the background for your keyboard. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one. You can of course still adjust the picture. If you want to, you can zoom in, zoom out, and move it up and down a little bit. And then we can go next. You can adjust the brightness as well. And of course, once you're ready, just tap on Done. And there we go. You can also toggle key borders as well. Leave a like and subscribe.